was chasing a dream.
Ribbit!
Mama Frog called, "Come back to me." Now 4 little frogs by the willow tree.
5 little frogs say ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Jump so high, can you jump like that? Hey! Splash in the water, flip and flit. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit!
4 little frogs in the soft green grass. One hopped off to let a beetle pass.
Ribbit!
Mama Frog winked